Hi, welcome to Dewsnap Cine Vista. Just a quick update on the A57 Link Roads Project. Some January works update information. So first of all, the works entrance. Nighttime traffic lights on Hyde Road from Monday the 5th of January 2026 for 3 weeks. This is road widening the access to the contractors' compound. This is adjacent to the BP garage. For safety reasons, overnight two-way traffic lights on Hyde Road will be in force. The lights will be in place between 7 p.m. and 6 a.m. Woolley Bridge upcoming works. On Tuesday the 6th of January, temporary traffic lights will be in place at Woolley Bridge between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. This will allow contractors to bring in machinery to complete archaeological work and install security fencing. From Monday 26th of January, two-way traffic lights will be in place at Woolley Bridge from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. These lights will be in place for around about 3 weeks, from Monday to Friday only, so weekends free. And finally, the lane closures at the A57 junction roundabouts between Monday the 26th and Friday the 30th of January 2026, essential devegetation work will require lane closures each night between 8 p.m. and 6 a.m. Single lane closures will be in place on the inner ring of the M67 Junction 4 roundabout. Approaches on A57 Hyde Road and A560 Stockport Road will be reduced to a single lane. Access at the roundabout will be maintained, but drivers should expect delays. Thank you.